Hello guys, in this video I am going to show how to grow brinjal plants in your terrace garden using brinjal seeds. Prepare the soil and add compost to the soil. Sprinkle brinjal seeds all over the soil. Cover the seeds with thin layer of soil. Do not bury the seeds too deep, as it will be difficult for the seeds to germinate. Water them thoroughly, at least once in a day. After 20 days, the seeds have germinated and the seedlings have grown up to 4 inches. After 40 days, remove the seedlings without disturbing the roots and transplant them into individual garden grow bags. Water the plants during the evenings on a daily basis. After 60 days, the brinjal plants have grown well and have started flowering. Add compost to the soil and continue watering during the evenings. After 90 days, the brinjals have grown well and are ready for harvesting. The plants will continue flowering and the brinjals can be harvested for the next 2 months. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share the video in social media.